What's going on, guys? So Sunday night, 8:45 Pacific Standard Time, getting a good look at the futures, down 100 points. I know a lot of newer traders are going to be very, very concerned. Oh my God, we're down. The bounce on Friday, we're going lower. It's entirely possible, but I also kind of want to explain to you, kind of how things work. Right now, what we want to kind of see in the overnight future session is we do want to see the pullback. We do want to see this dip, and we want to put in a higher low in the overnight futures market. Now, does that mean that Nvidia can come back in by the time that the market opens? Absolutely. I can see Nvidia coming into like that, 173 mark. Okay, what I have pulled up here is a little bit bigger time frame, a little bit bigger perspective. What we're looking at here is a 4-hour time frame. That 173, 174 is the 5-day moving average on that 4-hour time frame. Now, I've got a very, very clear line in the sand to the top side as well as to the bottom. So depending on what is going to happen, which what I think is going to happen, I think futures are going to continue to pull a little bit. They might stabilize a little bit by the time the pre-market rolls around. I think stocks will be down a little bit. I think we're going to catch a little bit of support on some of those rising moving averages on the 1-hour and the 4-hour time frame. And then what I want to see is I want to see that nice continued bounce. The bounce that we're looking for on the video is going to be through 182.21. That's going to be the play to the top side. That's going to have 10 points worth of room. Now, when you're kind of doing your homework and you're looking at stocks to trade, maybe you're looking at a stock like Twitter or a stock like Lucid or something, some kind of smaller name, you know, those charts might look good, but they only have maybe 50, 75 cents worth of room. Now, I obviously know that everyone's account size is a little bit differently, but if you guys are trading options, options premium, even on one contract's not too bad. As long as you're not trading, trying to trade the markets with $100, you should be able to afford at least one or two Nvidia contracts for tomorrow. So if you're trading options, we want to get over that 4-hour, 50-day moving average, 182.40. That's going to be the price where we're going to want to get long. So whenever that happens, whatever the market decides to do in the morning, whether it decides to open here, is all completely fine. What you need to do is stay patient. You guys need to stay calm and relaxed. Wait for the price action to come around. Wait for it to come back up. Take out Friday's highs and take out these two levels of supply and then break that 182. When we break 182, we have to be long. 100,000% we need to get long. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, but this is what I am going to be doing. I will be getting long over that 182.21. I've got to take a piece of that pie and I've got to ride that move. Now, if we do, quickly break it and then the market can't sustain itself and it rolls back over, then I just use 182, 181 as my stop. Paper cut, small cup of coffee loss, nothing doing. If the market does decide to kind of recuperate, the negative 104 that we are down currently in the futures market, and you see it kind of drop, and by pre-market, we're already trading up here. Well, this is the last place that I want to get long. Now, so it's completely two different scenarios here. We need to open up under this level. If we open up over 182 on any sort of gap up, those are moves that I want to stay away from. I want to open red or I want to open flat, and then I want to bottom out, and then I want to take out 182. I do not want to get caught in any sort of trap over 182 on the open. If we do open over 182, then what I will be looking for is the rejection somewhere in this zone and then to roll over. Now, my short position, I'm going to have to stay a little bit more patient on that. It's 10 points away. My short position on Nvidia is not going to trigger until we lose 168. When we lose 168, I am 100% shorting Nvidia. I am looking to take profits into that 155, at least get that test here, 158, 159, whatever suitable and comfortable for you. And then obviously if we ever do, and when we ever do lose the 155, that's another clear, easy short position. I hope this video kind of helps. If you guys want more information and more technical analysis, and you guys want to actually learn how to trade options and actually make money. I mean, I'm not talking about, making money on one trade, losing, all of it and some on a next trade. If you guys want to actually learn to be consistent in the market, and you want to learn price action, and what stocks to trade and how to trade them and what's the best time of the day to trade them, join the Discord, guys, or visit my website at evolutiontraders.com. You guys can get access to everything there. Also, make sure you guys are subscribing to the YouTube channel. Make sure you guys are giving me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video.